My name is Brian Rodriguez. My organism is the Arctic wolf. The Arctic wolf is known as the Melville Island wolf. The Arctic wolf is said to be a subspecies to the gray wolf. Since 1930, the size of the Arctic wolf's skull has been growing. The Arctic wolf has never been seriously hunted or pursued because not a lot of people live in the area. As a result, the Arctic wolf has never been afraid to be near humans. It has been said that they are aggressive towards humans.
Hello, my name is Mikkel Rose. I'm going to talk about my organism, the burrowing flounder. The burrowing flounder lives in the northern part on Earth, the Arctic. It lives on the depths of up to 425 meters, specifically 1,394 feet. A burrowing flounder is flat just like a flatfish. There are at least 12 inches in length. Their native habitat is mostly the northern Pacific, from Japan and the Sea of Okhotsk across the Bering Sea to Alaska, the Aleutian Islands, and Canada's Arctic coast.
The Arctic poppy is a small thick plant with delicate flowers. It can live in rocky beds because the stones radiate the heat of the sun and provide a moist shelter to the roots. It also poisonous upon ingestion. The Arctic poppy is about 10 to 15 centimeters tall. The Arctic poppy is a small flower that lives off of ice. This small plant can live for 5 years. The Arctic poppy lives better in rocks because then it can blend in with colors more.
The Arctic staghorn sculpin has a typical sculpin body, large head, big mouth, and large fins. Their skin is actually not scaly, it's smooth, except for one part. They are dark brown or gray, except for the bellies. They are normally a faded yellow. Arctic staghorn sculpins like marine temperatures, such as negative 1.8 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. They lay eggs during the fall. Because of its odd location, little is known about their reproduction habits, though.
Hi, my name is Emerson Dragon, and if the caribou moss was, in order to survive in its environment, it's able to blend in snow from predators. When it snows, the Arctic makes the moss feel warm, and the moss absorbs the snow and turns it into sugars for food. Plus, they grow every year, and if a predator eats the caribou moss, then it will grow back a year later and makes more plants for it in order to survive. And the plants grow all around the Arctic, and that's why I think the caribou moss could survive in its environment.
The salmon shark will be able to survive on the fish it will eat because it eats many varieties of fish. It will survive a bunch off of salmon because it is called the salmon shark and normally feeds off the salmon. The Arctic its temperatures can get below degrees colder than Utah or any of Canada. It can get below negative 30, which is very, very cold.
The lion is a ferocious animal. It can hide in the tall grass with its striped fur. It can see in the dark with its big eyes. It can attract the others with its luscious mane. It can hear things far away with its sea lion ears. My new organism is the rain dog deer lion, and it likes to eat other animals and will stop at nothing to get what it wants, and it likes to eat animals such as birds, deer, and other stuff. And its legs gives it the power to run faster and catch its prey. And its big huge arms and its claws can tear into meat. And the organism survives in the rainforest, and its big ears can hear its prey from the distance.